Welcome to M2Host. WordPress is the most commonly used CMS platform. It is open source software and user-friendly. First, log into your cPanel. Then scroll to Software section and select Softaculous App Installer. You will see a window of different apps. Search for WordPress and click on Install. Then choose Domain Name from drop-down menu. Choose Directory. Then choose the version you want to install from drop-down option. Fill up the installation form manually if you want, or else to fill up the form automatically directly scroll down. Then add email address that will receive all the installation details like username and password. Click on Install. You have successfully installed WordPress via Softaculous. First logged into your cPanel. Then look for Database section. Then click on the PHPMyAdmin. Select the WordPress database. Select the tables you want to optimize. Then scroll down and in the With Selected list box, select Optimize Table. PHPMyAdmin will inform you if the optimization process was successful. You have successfully optimized WordPress database using PHPMyAdmin. First logged into your cPanel. Then look for Database section. Then click on the PHPMyAdmin. Select the WordPress database. Under the table column, select WP Users. Locate the user whose password you want to change and click Edit. Under Values section of User Password, enter New Password. Under Function, select MD5 from the drop-down menu next to User Pass. Click Go to save your changes. Now retry to log into your WordPress dashboard. You have successfully changed the WordPress admin password from the PHPMyAdmin. WordPress hosting is a type of hosting specifically optimized for websites that are built on WordPress, which is one of the most popular content management systems on the internet. When you pick WordPress hosting, you get a hosting environment that fits the specific requirements of WordPress websites. This includes faster loading times, improved security, and 24/7 customer support from WordPress experts.